Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm Hina Khan and today the topic of our lecture is alcohol, carbon monoxide and organophosphorus poisonings. So these are the common intoxications which a clinical toxicologist come across working in the fields, and so that is why they are discussed over here along with their symptoms, along with their causes, as well as the managements observed in such cases. Now, in the first section, we'll be discussing the forensic aspects of alcohol primarily. The alcohol and its relation to the circulatory system is again very important. Its effects of alcohol on the bodily systems, basically the metabolic organs are again very highly affected through these alcohol intoxication states. The calculations of the level of the blood saturations of the alcohol are again very important, and they're quite diagnostic whenever we are carrying out the investigations. In the second section, we'll be dealing with the acute and the chronic alcoholism generally. The acute alcoholism is differentiated from the chronic alcoholism over here in this section. And then we'll be discussing very comprehensively the methyl alcohol intoxication. Its medico-legal aspects are discussed over here along with its autopsy findings over here. In the third section, we'll be discussing the carbon monoxide poisoning in general. What is basically going to cause this carbon monoxide poisoning in the environment, the autopsy findings, and along with it, the blood saturation levels of the carbon monoxide along with its symptoms are discussed over here in this third section. In the fourth section, we are going to discuss the paraquat poisoning. Paraquat poisoning, what is basically paraquat, what are the medico-legal aspects to this poisoning, the autopsy findings are also discussed in detail over here, and then along with its toxicological interpretation. Finally, in the fifth section, we'll be discussing the organophosphate poisoning. These are the common insecticides used in the agricultural industry, so this poisoning is again very common in the environment. The medico-legal aspects are again discussed over here relating to this kind of poisoning, and the toxic signs and symptoms along with the autopsy findings are discussed in this final section. The toxicological interpretation that is very significant for a clinical toxicologist is done over here in this fifth section. I hope you want to learn more about this alcohol, carbon monoxide and organophosphorus poisoning, so do watch the other sections to this lecture as well.